Hello, good morning students. This is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Once again, I welcome you to online classes. Students, as you all know, we are making revisional video for your upcoming examination, and in the series of revision, today I am going to explain about control panel. This is your theory class. Yesterday I have explained about window media player. In that, how you will burn a CD, how will you ripping. These all I have already explained yesterday, and today I will explain about control panel. So listen me students, you have to concentrate your mind here. First of all, our question is, what is a control panel? What is a control panel? Students, control panel is the central location from where a computer can manage almost everything for a Windows operating system. This panel is used to make changes to various settings of a computer system, such as Windows looks and desktop background, such as Windows looks and desktop background, and date and time setting, date and time setting, after that you can also change keyboard and mouse setting with the help of control panel. Keyboard and mouse setting, and after this you can also change the setting of your network setting, and you can also install or uninstall a program. Okay, program installation, and removal. Okay, students, using control panel you can change Windows looks and desktop background. You can also change the date and time setting. You can also change keyboard and mouse setting. You can also change network setting, and you can also install or remove any applications or any program with the help of control panel. Clear? You can also control the setting of devices that is connected to a computer system using the control panel option. If you want to open control panel, so first of all you have to follow some steps. Students, अगर आप कंट्रोल पैनल ओपन करना चाहते हैं अपने कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में, तो उसके लिए कुछ आपको स्टेप्स फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you have to click on the start button that is located on the bottom of the desktop. Extremely left side you can see start button, and then after you have to click on the start button. After the opening of start menu, you have to click on the Windows system option from the right pane, and then a drop down menu will be open. Just you have to search the control panel option and you have to click over it. Then after you will see your control panel windows will be open on your desktop. Okay. After the opening of control panel windows, you will see there are 8 categories. After the opening of control panel window, you will see there are 8 categories like system and security, and then after users account, network and internet, appearance and personalization, and hardware and sound, clock and region, program, and ease of access. These are the 8 categories of a control panel. Students, ये क्वेश्चन आते हैं एग्जाम में. हाउ मेनी कैटेगरीज ऑफ अ कंट्रोल पैनल? देयर आर 8 कैटेगरीज ऑफ अ कंट्रोल पैनल. ओके. सिस्टम एंड सिक्योरिटी, नेटवर्क एंड इंटरनेट, हार्डवेयर एंड साउंड, प्रोग्राम, यूजर्स अकाउंट, appearance and personalization, clock and region, and ease of access. These are the 8 categories of a control panel. Okay. Let me erase this. I will write here the 8 categories of control panel. Okay.
Class
Okay. There are 8 categories of a control panel. There are 8 categories of a control panel. First is system and security. Okay. System and security. Second is users account. Second is users accounts. And third is network and internet. Okay, third is network and internet. Then after fourth is appearance and personalization. Appearance and personalization. And then after fifth is hardware and input. Hardware and input. And the sixth category is clock and reason. And next is program. Seventh category is program. And eighth is ease of access. Ease of access. Okay. These are the 8 categories of a control panel. So students, you can change the date and time. You can install or uninstall a program using control panel. You can change keyboard and mouse setting using the control panel. You can change appearance and looks of your Windows desktop using the control panel. Okay. Okay. Now students, we will know one by one what are the main uses of these categories. Here I have written system and security. This is the first category. Students, system and security. This category is used to set the overall appearance of your security system of Windows 10. Second is user's account. Students, it is used to handle different users' account and to set up parental control. Next is network and internet. Students, it is used to set communication between multiple computers in a computer network. Next is appearance and personalization. It is used to control the set of appearance on a computer. And next is hardware and sound. Students, it is used to install a program from a computer, or it is used to control the setting of connected hardware devices, etc. And clock and reason category is used to set the date and time zone and language of a computer. And program, this category is used to install or uninstall a program in a computer. And ease of access category is used to adjust the visual display, resize, sound and visual keys, it is used to change the mouse and keyboard setting. Okay, now students, the next one is changing date and time setting. One by one we will know how you will change the date and time in your computer, how will you change the mouse setting, how will you change the keyboard setting, how will you change the desktop background, how will you install or uninstall a program. These all we will know in our next video lecture. So students, these topics I will explain in my next video lecture. Till then students, goodbye. Thank you for watching my video students. Bye bye. Have a nice day.